Hello, lovelies, and welcome to my channel. I'm truly Tara, and here we do skincare, makeup, unboxings, hauls, this, that, the other. And today I have my Ipsy Glam bag, so that's a little exciting. It seems like with Ipsy and Boxy Charm, Boxy has the good stuff in the shop, which if you have access to the Ipsy Glam bag, you have access to the shop. Uh, Seems like lately the pics have been off, but the Glam bag's been on point. And the Glam bag, I get it yearly, but I think now it's like 13 bucks. So let's unbox this and we'll discuss. And if you want to know about the giveaway, just hang on till the end and we'll discuss. Okay. So I am absolutely adoring this bag. I pulled it out whenever I first got it and I was like, oh my gosh, that is absolutely amazing. Look at that. And look at the little bat. Amazing. It's so cute. I love it. Okay, so I got me a brush. I can never remember what my pick is, especially with Glam, because it just kind of seems to come and go so fast. Sometimes I'll remember it whenever I see it, but usually I don't remember. So that's a good brush. And that's like a good, like, sturdy brush. And I actually really need I need a new foundation brush. Okay. You know, I'm going to have to get me some stickers, something to put right here, because I really do like this background. It's just more natural. Okay, so next we have Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I just did a short on how much I am loving this Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara. This is in a $13 bag. So I'm not 100% sure. Where did I get, I think that I might have got the Anastasia through, how did I get maybe it was the Boxy charm that she just, I don't know. I can't remember. Okay, so actually, it's right here. This mascara is $26. That's pretty cool. I mean, it's, you got a $30 mascara in a $13 box. So I'm very happy with that. It is a very good mascara. I am so picky about my mascara. There's so many that I have tried, and y'all already know Charlotte Tilbury I've tried Haas, I've tried it all, and 9 times out of 10 I end up with the allies, and I detest that. I detest it. So this stuff lasts all day, and at the end of the day, get your makeup remover, get it off. It's not all down here. That's the beauty of it. Okay, so next we have Kenzie Berry Beauty perfume. Now I'm gonna try it, but I won't keep it because me and perfume do not get along. But berry sounds yummy. I love a sweet scent like that. I mean, I don't know. I can smell a lot of the things that I know would give me a migraine if I were to wear that. All of them give me a migraine. I don't know why. It's just a me thing. But it doesn't smell bad. But it doesn't remind me of berry either. So I don't know. But maybe a couple more pumps and you get the berry. Okay, next is Mango and Lime Burst Nourishing Lip Oil, and that is by Tarte. So everything that I have got in this box so far has been like either, oh wow, there was a lot on there. Like name brand, like a good brand, you know? I mean, everybody loves Kenzie, everybody loves Tarte, Anastasia Beverly Hills. Like, this is really good stuff. And I have been noticing that's what, okay, let's just do last but not least. Last but not least is Perfect Legs Body Butter by This Works. Now, I've tried a couple of things from This Works. I have never tried, usually body butters are like in like jars. That's how I'm used to seeing them. So I don't see where this has like a smell. So I guess it's just a regular like lotion. Because body butters are basically lotions. They're just really, really thick lotions. Ew, I don't like it. It's, ew. It reminds me of like menthol or something. Like, ew, I don't like that. Like, I bet that it, I bet if you get into it, like, let's see, a mood boosting body moisturizer with sweet orange essential oils, geranium. Yep, geranium. Okay. Uh, okay. So I don't know what I'm smelling, but I don't like it. It reminds me of like something you put on your chest when you're sick or something. I don't know. Definitely not my thing. Definitely not. But that is a good company. Like I've got a few things from them and I've never, not liked what I've got from them. So now let's discuss. So Ipsy and Boxy, I kind of wish they would have never did this thing where they came together. I mean, I do, but I don't. I feel like Boxy was probably on its way out and Ipsy kind of stepped in to save it. But the only thing that's saving Boxy right now is the fact that they have the icon box. The icon box is what keeps all of us interested, because I'm telling you, the pics have just been bad. And I said it 100 times. I don't understand why they can't put what is in the shop in the pics. And maybe it's just how I have my, but I see other people saying this. I know I'm not the only person who thinks this. And I always say that I'm this close to giving it up. But then they bring in somebody like uh, Pat McGrath. Sorry, it took me a second. They bring in somebody like Pat McGrath or Anastasia Beverly Hills or somebody really, really cool like that. And it keeps you, like there's no way that I don't want that box. I 100% want that box. And I know that you can kind of, be like, okay, I'm not going to be here this month, so I'm not going to get this box. But you can't do that all the time. Somebody at some point in my comments said that you could, but I don't think that you can do that. I think that they are pretty strict on, if you have not been a member or if you haven't got the last couple of boxes, then you're not going to get the icon box. So they kind of got you know what I mean? I don't see why you can't just get the icon box. If you're not happy, I don't see why we can't just shop in the shop. And if we want that month's box, okay, we get it. If we don't. But, and then just do the icon. Does that make sense? Like, I'm tired of it making me crazy. But I don't know. At the same time, like, it keeps it interesting, I guess, for everybody. So, all right, now giveaway. The giveaway. I just want you guys, because I'm going to do it soon, but it's definitely going to be a couple of weeks because I want to wait. I just got my winter stuff out this past week. I don't want my winters to have to wait for weeks for me to be able to get the stuff out. So I want to be able to have the giveaway and then get it out the next day. That's always my goal, but something always seems to happen. So just make sure that you're commenting first. Make sure, and the way to do that is ring the notification bell. Whenever you get a notification that I've made a video, then you go in and comment and make sure, be like, I'm the first. And even if you're the second, like, trust me, I'm paying attention. So I guess that's going to be all for this one. I have like a review that I would like to do, so I think I'm going to do that. And so yeah, I'll see you in that one. And I forgot to say I'll shut up. I'm going to shut up. Bye.